In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email account on Nexcess. Whether you're managing your personal domain or setting up email accounts for your team, this guide will walk you through every detail to ensure you have a seamless experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into the Nexcess client portal, open up your preferred browser, and type in the URL that will take you to the Nexcess login page. If you're new to the platform, now is a good time to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once on the login page, enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login issues. Next, find the option that says Go to nexcess.net and click on it. This will redirect you to the main dashboard area where you can manage various aspects of your Nexcess account. Remember, navigating through these portals is key to managing your hosting account effectively. Once you're on the main Nexcess page, look for the Access Your Site Dashboard button and click it. It's usually prominently displayed to make navigation smooth and effortless. This dashboard is your central hub for all site-specific tasks and configurations. Now navigate to the section labeled Sites. Click on this, select the site you wish to manage, and then proceed to the site dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, ensure you're working on the correct one to avoid accidental changes elsewhere. From the site dashboard, find and click on Email Management. This section is where you'll handle everything related to email accounts on your domain. The setup is intuitive, but still, I recommend taking a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available in this section. In Email Management, there's a tab for email accounts, or alternatively, Manage Email. Clicking on this will bring up your existing email accounts if there are any, and options to create new ones. This is where all the magic happens. To add a new account, click on Create New Email Account. This option is quite straightforward. You'll then want to select Add Email Account, which brings up a form for entering your account details. Enter a username for the new email account. Typically, this might be something like info@yourdomain.com. This will be the email address others will use to contact you, so choose it wisely and make sure it's easy to remember. Next, it's time to set up a password. Ensure the password is strong and secure. A good practice is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. If you want to set an email quota, now's the time to do so. This is an optional step, but it can help manage the account's storage limits, especially useful if you have many accounts to oversee. Finally, click on Save or Create Account. This will finalize the setup and your new email will be ready for use. You have now successfully added an email account on Nexcess. For easier access to your emails,